In this video, you will see me teach a classroom full of third graders about how to find the unknown.
I'm Dr. Rose. I teach 5th grade. Good morning. Okay, so I'm up in where the big kids are. So I get the privilege to teach you today one lesson, okay? And here are your essential questions right here. It says, what does the equal sign mean in an equation? And how do you determine the unknown number that makes the equation true? Okay, that's a lot of big words, isn't it? You probably don't even know what that means. However, I'm going to show you what that means in just a second. When it talks about an equal sign, guys, I want you to think of a seesaw. Okay, do you know what a seesaw is? Okay, what I want you to do is I'm going to give you a marker.
To help the students understand that the equal sign is really just like a seesaw that it must balance in order to show that two sides are equal, they drew a seesaw on their desk using Expo markers.
I want you to draw one straight line, like this. And then I want you to write an upside down V, just like that in the middle. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this pre-test. If you don't know the answers, it is okay. It's okay. We're not going to have any fits. We're not going to freak out. It's okay. All right? So go ahead and get a pencil out. Put your name and the date on this test, and you may begin.
I administered an 8-question pretest to assess student knowledge.
There you go. All right, you may begin. Oh, sorry. Okay, stop it for this time. Right here in the middle. So let's go ahead and draw an equal sign right there. And then put your markers down. Okay. Good job. So different teaching little people. All right. If I were to draw a heart on this side over here, what would happen to my teeter-totter? What do you think would happen, Cannon?
That side with the heart on it would go down.
It would go down because it's heavier, right? Perfect. Great. So if Dr. Rose stood here and my face was an equal sign, and I put a book in this hand, what's going to happen to my teeter-totter or my seesaw? It's going to go down, okay? The point of this is that you have to figure out what would I have to put on this side to make it equal. What would I have to put on this side? Another book, okay? So if I put this book, so far, right now, I have this, right? But if I put this book in here, now it's going to be what? Equal. Okay? So looking at my picture right here, if I look at my picture, what would I need to put on this side to make it equal? Another heart. Good girl. Okay. Now, markers down. If I were to put a circle here, I have a heart and a circle. What's going to happen again? It's going to go down again. So what am I going to have to add to the other side, Brooke, to make it equal? A circle. Another circle. So whatever is on one side, you have to put on the other side.
This mini lesson was designed to introduce students to the concept of balancing equations.
No. They do not have to be the same thing. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so on my seesaw, let's say I have 5 on that side. What's going to happen to my seesaw? It's going to go down. Tell me another way that I could put to make it equal. What's another way I can make it equal? A plus 1. That would make it equal. What's another way of making it equal?
We could try doing like a 3 plus a 2.
I love it. I love it. 3 plus 2. What's another way? 5 times 1. What's another way?
1 times 5.
1 times 5. What's another way? 2 plus 3. So we're getting into our fact families now, right? What's another way, Cannon?
1 plus 4.
1 plus 4. Give me another one.
0 plus 5.
Oh, brilliant. Okay. Give me another one.
6 minus 1.
I love it. 6 minus 1. Give me another one.
5 divided by 1.
Ooh, fancy. That's going to give you 5. Nice, nice. Last 2 right here. Oh, last 3 right here.
10 divided by 5. I mean 2.
I like it. 10 divided by 2. Perfect.
2 plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 2 plus 1.
I love it. 2 plus 2 plus
1.
perfect. Last one.
And
5 plus 0. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful job. Okay, so on your desk, you're going to be working with a partner. It's the partner that's right next to you, unfortunately. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, say, "Oh man." 1, 2, 3. Oh man. All right, now be happy. Okay, so here's what you're going to do with your partner. I like how you're looking at me because that means you're listening. Okay? Here is a big equal sign. Okay? This equal sign is going to go right in the middle of your 2 desks. Okay? Are you listening? Now, you have a bunch of different numbers here. Cannon, you have a bunch of different numbers. Okay? With these numbers, let's say Dr. Rose has a 10. I'm going to put a 10 on her side of the equal sign, but then I'm going to use these other numbers that I have, because 10, if I have 10 on one, I'll wait till y'all are listening. If you have 10 on this side, Cannon, what's it going to do? It's going to go down. So you have to find other numbers in this pile, other combinations, to make 10 on this side so it will balance. Just like we did right here. Do you have to have 10 on this side and this side?
No.
Or you can, but does it have to be the single 10 and then a single 10 over here? No, you can change this one up. Okay. Yes, sir. When you think of it, you write it down on your desk and I'll come to you and you can ask me then. Do you have any questions on what you're doing? Yes, ma'am. I'm going to be walking around checking. You make as many problems as you can. That's a great question. Using those numbers, baby. Any other questions? Question? All right, you may begin.
Students worked with their partners to balance equations.
All right, you can stop now. I'll go around. In this part of the video, you are going to be watching students show their work using manipulatives and working with partners. I need you to go get it now. I need this group right here. If you have a device, you need to go get it now. If you don't, it's okay. I need this group right here. If you have a device.
Students got their devices out so that they could independently try to balance equations using the app Equalo.
You are but you're fun size. That's what we call it. Dr. Rose short. We're fun size. If you this group right here, if you have a device, you need to go get it now. I like how you're listening, Maddie, and you're not talking right now. Okay. Who does not have a device? Okay.
Students that did not have their own device either worked with a partner or used a teacher device.
You two girls are going to share. Okay? You want to bring your chair right here? You're going to share with Brooke. Okay? Maddie, you're going to share with this little girl right here. So come over here, bring your chair and sit right here. You're going to go share with Hannah. Or, no, you share with Hannah. Stand by. Do you have one? Go stay over there with her. You share with her. Okay. Yes. Does it have a little bit of juice? Yeah. Okay. Until it dies, use it. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Then share with him. Share with Eli. Huh? You can't get on internet with us? Do you know your passcode? Okay. This is what you need. Your parents or someone has already downloaded an app. It's EQU. Y'all have it?
Yes.
All right. So go ahead and get it. Yeah, baby. Okay. Well, let's do it. Let's do it. Awesome. Awesome. Now, don't push anything else. Just get into that one particular app. I help you. Let me get them started, and then you and I will talk. Okay? So what I need for you to do first is that I need for you to turn down the volume of your device. If you do not know how to turn down the volume, I will help you. Okay? Because it has music. Whee! Okay, we're not going to do that today. All right? So we're going to turn that down. Go to, you should have something that looks like this. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I need you to share with him, please. Thumbs up. Yep, that's okay. Thumbs up. Perfect. Now, the one I need you to go to, it is the second column, the second game. It just says multiplication. So click on multiplication. Good, good, Spivey. Awesome. Now then stop. Then stop. Okay, let me explain this game to you, okay? It's very easy. I like how he's looking at me. I owe you a ticket because that means you're listening, okay? All you're going to do, it's obviously multiplication, and you're doing the exact same thing that we just did up here. So you're going to have a seesaw, and these different colored balls are going to fall down, and you're going to have like a 10 here. Well, then you're going to have several different numbers. Okay? How would, or which circle would I touch for multiplication to make my seesaw equal? To make my seesaw equal. What do you think, Brooke?
5.
We're doing multiplication only. Yes. So you would touch this 5 on your game, and it would go up here, and then you would touch this 2 on your game, and it would go, oops, it would go up here, and then you'd get a new problem. After you get it right, you get a new problem. Okay? You guys are going to catch on to this way quicker than I'm thinking that it's going to be difficult. Now, those of you that don't have a device, you watch the person first, and then once they play a game, then let them play. Y'all just kind of switch back and forth. Does that make sense? Are there any questions? All right, play. Go to easy. Yeah, go to starter. Yep, there you go. Go 1 through. There you go. Perfect. Do you need some help, baby? Okay. Oh, awesome. Can I help? Can I help you real quick? Okay. You got it? So what? Remember, let's.
It was amazing how quickly the students picked up on the app. They knew exactly what to do.
Okay, so let's replay. So 12. What would I multiply? What two numbers down here would I multiply to get 12? 2 and 6. See? There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Let me help you. Play. Let's go to, nope. Let's go to multiplication. Right there. I'm sorry. Hit play. Let's do the starter one. Okay. So, what numbers down here would you use to make 16? Multiply. Let's do it differently. numbers. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Good job. How you doing? Okay. How you doing? Well, how you doing, Brookie? Thank you for sharing. This level. Yep.
I'm on starter.
That's okay. That's where I wanted everybody to be.
No, I'm on second.
You good now? Awesome. Thank you for your help. Okay, you can turn it off now. Okay. Right? So what I want you to think about though is look up here at this really quick, this problem up here. 28.
After working with partners and then individually, students took a post-test so that I could assess their learning.
Both sides have to be the same. So 28 divided by what equals 2 times this? And it has to be equal. What do you think, Spivey? 14. So 2 times 14 is what? So 28 divided by what? And this is 28 over here. What would I have to put here? Would I put 14? This is 2 times 14. What does that give me? What does 2 times 14 give me?
28.
28. Okay? 28 divided by what gives me 28?
7. 28 divided by 2 equals 14.
Does that give me 14? No, it's not equal. There's 28 on this side. There you go. 28 divided by 1. Okay? You have to think, now does this have 28 over here? And this has 28 over here. So now they're equal. Okay? So that's what you got to think of. Make sure you put your names on these. But we're not looking for 14, Eli. We're looking for 28. That's it. So Cannon and Samantha, right? No, who are you?
Alex.
Alex. Tell me what you did to make your seesaw equal.
She had 9, so I did 6 plus 3 equals 9.
Perfect.